Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making some roti along with some curry coconut chickpeas. So here I just needing my dough to make the roti. I'm not going to show you the full steps, but just some clippings. So in this clip now you'll be seeing the ingredients I'll be using for the curry coconut chickpea. I'm just chopping up the season here, so stick around and you'll see what I do next. So right here I've just added some oil to my pan. So once I've added my oil, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my curry to get that burning before I add the rest of ingredients. Once that curry is burned, then I'll just go ahead and add in all of my seasons. So here I've added all of my natural season, that is onion, pepper, scallion, thyme, sweet pepper, carrot and garlic. So I'm just gonna go ahead and saute that around, and then once I've done that, I'll just go ahead and add the next ingredient. So here I've just added in my can of chickpea. So it's basically pre-cooked, so it wouldn't take a long time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stir that in and saute it around, and ensure it gets the color of the curry and everything mixed around in it. So once I've done that, so now I'm just adding in my coconut milk. I had some more of the curry powder on the top of it, that's why it was looking like that. And then once I've added my coconut milk, I'll just go ahead and stir it around and get all of the ingredients incorporated together. Once I get that done, I'll just add my additional seasonings to it. The additional seasons that I added was the Maggi all-purpose as well as the Maggi chicken season to give it a nice taste and flavor, and the coconut milk would definitely give it a nice creamy thick texture. And yeah, that's basically it. Once I've done that, saute around and just leave it to cook for about the next 5 minutes or so. Yeah, I've also added some black pepper for more flavoring. Oh gosh, I wish you guys could have smelled it. It was so awesome. So this is the finished product, guys. This is how it was looking with my rotis to the side. It was very nice and tasty. Very great recipe for the persons who are health conscious, who doesn't want any meat or anything like that, and it was very awesome.